Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 339, Data Summarization Component Parameters. When preparing for a recent Portals community call, I was playing around with the new Data Summarization component in the Power Pages Design Studio, and I ran into a few issues. This feature is still in preview, so it's not surprising that there might be a bug or two. However, I did discover some workarounds that I thought might be helpful to share. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. I've had mixed results working with the summary component in the Design Studio. When adding it to the page, sometimes it prevents the page from saving, or it won't keep some of the settings I've set saved, like the additional instructions or the Keep Summary Expanded. Under the hood, this component is just a PCF control, and the UI in the Design Studio is just adding liquid to the page. So, if you want to play around with the component, but the UI is giving you grief, I was able to discover the parameters that you can set in liquid for each of the settings. As a PCF control, the liquid tag we use is code component. The name of the PCF control is pages.summarization. The parameters for the PCF control map to the following settings. API_URL is summarization API. Summary_title is title. Instruction_identifier is additional instructions. And summary_expanded is keep summary expanded. Knowing these parameters means you can edit the source of the page using VS Code for Web to try out the new component, without worrying about issues with the UI. And if you're curious how I figured out these parameters, it didn't take too much digging into the PCF control source code to figure it out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 339 on data summarization component parameters useful.